In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent Microsoft Edge from clearing site permissions when you close the browser. This is a really useful setting if you're tired of websites asking for permission every single time you reopen Edge. For example, if you allow a site to use your camera, microphone, notifications, or location, you may want those permissions to stay saved instead of getting wiped out when you exit the browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main settings menu. From there, click Settings. This will take you into the Edge settings area where you can control privacy, security, browsing data, and more. Now, on the left side of the settings page, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is the section where Microsoft Edge keeps most of its privacy-related options, including browsing data controls and site permission settings. Once you're in this section, scroll down until you find the Clear Browsing Data on Close area. This part is very important because it controls what Edge automatically deletes every time you close the browser. Under Clear Browsing Data on Close, you'll see different options that Edge can remove when the browser shuts down. Look specifically for Site Permissions. If this option is turned on, Edge will clear saved site permissions each time you close the browser, which means websites may forget the choices you made earlier. To stop that from happening, simply toggle Site Permissions off. Once you turn that off, Edge will no longer clear your site permissions when you close the browser. That means your saved permissions should stay in place, making your browsing experience smoother and saving you time in the future. If you use trusted websites regularly, this is a great way to keep your settings consistent without having to approve everything again and again. After you've made the change, you can close the settings page. There's nothing else you need to do. Your new settings should take effect right away, and the next time you close Edge, your site permissions will remain saved instead of being cleared. So just to recap, go to Settings, click Privacy, Search, and Services, find Clear Browsing Data on Close, and toggle off site permissions. That's all it takes to prevent Edge from clearing site permissions when you close it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.